Welcome to this Startup Tree tutorial about how to create your account and learn about all the features that Startup Tree brings to you, including mentorship and networking. The very first step that you need to do is to go to this link, youtube.startuptree.co, and click sign up. You can sign up with your YouTube credentials, that way you don't have to create a new account. Then it's going to ask you a couple questions to create your own profile. You can upload a professional looking picture, select your gender, and your location. Next is going to ask if you're a student, alumni, faculty or staff, your university, your class, and also your degree. Then it's going to ask you what roles best describe you. Right now, I'm just going to do animator. Then you can add 3 skills, the ones that you're best at. I'm going to put research, presentation skills, and engineering. Next, you can write a short sentence telling something about yourself. It can be anything really. Then you need to tell us how you heard about Startup Dream. And that's it, you have created your profile. Now you have access to all the features that Startup Tree offers. You can come back later and update any section of your profile. Now let's go to the home page and go over all the features that Startup Tree offers for you. At the very top of the toolbar, you have a section for events, job opportunities, a forum where you can network with other students, and find your mentors. If you click more, you will find other opportunities such as events and competitions, more resources such as a roadmap where you can track the progress of your venture, you can discover people and browse for mentors, and also search for other companies and ventures of other students. On the right side of the homepage, you will find the latest activity of other students. When you scroll down, you will find a section of all the events that are being featured by the University of Texas at El Paso. When you keep scrolling down, on the right side of the page, you will find a section where you can add your company or venture, and below that, you will find a list of all of your mentors. And on the left side, you will find the latest job opportunities. And that's it. Now you have access to everything that Startup Tree offers. And I hope this video was helpful for you to create your account and learn what Startup Tree offers for you. Thank you for watching.